So we are in the thick of it. Now that we are stationed here in Texas for a little while, we are starting our facelift of Basik. We're going to address all the things that we have put off, all the projects, and also kind of giving her a little facelift, so to speak. So it is very hot here. There is no breeze, and I mean, obviously we weren't expecting much just because we were further inland than what we're used to. There's no ocean breeze. AC is definitely in our future, but for now, until Teal can tackle that project and we figure out what model we want or which one will work great for Basik, we're going to do as much as we can to insulate. So I am on this project, which is just kind of putting this reflective material over the windows while we can, and then Teal is outside hand scraping our decks so that it will be ready for paint. Huh?
Welcome to my home for the next month. Well, the good news is there wasn't many patches that failed. There's just this front area right here and on the hardtop roof. Those are the two areas. And why they failed?
Not enough paint.
That's what I'm thinking. So a lot of people like to cast blame on the paint itself. I'm casting blame on the painter itself. Yeah.
Oh, you're big enough to accept blame, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's easy to point fingers and say the paint failed, but you know what?
I think it's just the application.
Yeah, because other areas of the boat that we did at the same time, put 1 or 2 more coats on, they look great. So it was just not enough coats down, and we rushed to get out of Penasco.
It's looking good.
It's getting wider.
That just means we stay cooler. So far it's looking good.
So far, looking good.
I'm really liking how it's laying down.
I know, no bubbles.
Nice and flat, yeah.
And this is just our scratch coat. We sand in between each one. But so far, so good. And it bit us in the butt. It took about 2 years, a little over 2 years, and it started failing. But when it felt hard. So rather than sand this all down and make a mess, I'm just getting all this paint off.
And honestly, all these projects, it's kind of overwhelming. But we're just gonna try to tackle it one project at a time.
Yeah, let's go for worst case scenario first, which is the paint. The paint is ugly. It's embarrassing.
I know, but I'm insulating the windows inside.
Well, yeah, we gotta also...
We have to live.
Yes.
Survive.
You make it comfortable, and I'll make it pretty. How about that? Got my systems down. It seems to be working. It's slow going, but it's the right way to do it. I gotta just get it off of here.
So instead of sanding, you're scraping?
Yeah, this I got to get it out 100% down. This is our 2-part primer base coat, which is fine. I mean, this thing's bulletproof. I can scrape right against it. It doesn't move. But chiseling this failed paint off, it's a chore, but it's coming. I don't want to just sand it down and repaint because I don't trust this paint below it right now. I want to get it out of here and start fresh.
What do you mean you don't trust the paint below it?
Well, I don't trust the paint if I just sanded this slightly and painted over it. You know, I could have just sanded this deck and put more coats down. But the right way to do it is to start fresh. Get to the right base coat, right, and then work our way up and layer it correctly this time. Yes. I'm excited.
Okay.
Okay, I'll keep going. Well, I've learned a lot of tricks since I've been doing this. I am countless hours into this. You know, I could be just sanding this, but it'd make an awful mess. This way I'm containing all of my debris. And what I'm doing is I use a wet towel right here. Soak it wet, and which puts a little water on the paint. As I chisel it off, that little bit of water gives it some weight, and so it's not fluttering around. It's a little more messy, you know, up front, but I'm able to contain all this paint chips and dust. I don't know that it softens it at all, but look at this. It sure keeps it from flying around, especially with a little bit of breeze out here. Then I just make my little pile and vacuum it up. This will be a long project spanning multiple weeks due to the intense Texas heat. We are determined to prepare the surface properly and will show updates as we progress. But for now, let's bounce over to another project that we are just getting started.
We are finally having a day without, hopefully, rain. It looks like there might be rain, but not quite yet. It's dry, no wind, overcast, which is perfect for us to tackle this project because we have to get the main up, dried, and to get some projects done, put some shade up too while we're at it.
Plus, it's good to get this down. Take a look at our battens.
Yeah, we had one that broke coming here to Texas.
I think it's the next one.
That's so cool. Oh! What was that?
What?
It looks like poop or something. It came out of the sail.
Oh, it's a nest.
Oh.
A wasp nest just came out.
It's only been a couple weeks.
Welcome to Texas. Okay,
There it is.
There it is right there.
Yep. That right there. Downwind sailing with the main up is not a good idea. But think about everything that broke.
Hey, we got here though.
I know, but we lost. Okay, we broke a batten.
It was kind of rough on the battens. It was flopping back and forth a bit at points just because we were running directly downwind.
We broke our spinnaker halyard. So we had a little bit of panic and excitement. Spinnaker goes in the water. All right, so we were able to retrieve it.
That's it.
Oh, engine breaks down. Whew.
So we're not going to turn this off until we're in a safe place. I can diagnose this, tear it all down, and do it right. But hey, it's all part of the experience.
be a pretty easy task this morning is becoming a all-day project. So, I don't know what to say.
We allowed, what, 5 minutes for this, or 8 minutes? Now our whole day is half over.
Yeah.
Nothing's happened. I'm going up the mast.
It's only been a couple weeks since we've been back, and yet here we are, and it looks like one of the set screws is pulling out.
Yeah, I could see it with binoculars. So each foil has 4 set screws on it. One of the set screws backed out. And why? Who knows? We did have all the foils off at one point.
Alright, it is go time. Our rigger Steve is here. He's going to do the last bit to help us put up our Headstay. So I don't know if I'm going up the mast to do the final measuring. We're going to do something a little different because we don't want to have to take the foils of our furling off. So what he's going to do is he's going to actually weld to our old one, and we're going to pull it through. And then he'll cut and get that fitting all taken care of, and then we'll hoist it up and get it done. So, wish me luck. I think we are all secured.
We just loosened one up and didn't know
It's
it.
just weird. Anyways, so I have to hoist Teal up, and the problem is now our spinnaker halyard, you guys know, broke a couple weeks, or God, it's been like a week. It broke on their way here, and so we don't have our spinnaker halyard, so we're gonna have to use the main halyard. The problem is I have to hoist Teal up.
Yes, you do.
It's gonna be a workout.
Sorry.
But Compass is here for moral support, aren't you, Compass? No? Guess not. Gonna hoist Teal up. This is not gonna be fun or easy because he's coming up on the main halyard. I have to hoist them up because we still haven't replaced our trusty electric winch. Little buddy, missed that guy. But
That's what you were saying about me after today.
I just pray for me, guys. I'm gonna die.
Hey, I'm not that big.
I didn't say you were big. I'm just that weak. Anyways, this is what I wear now when I go outside. Had a lot of sun damage over the years, and just trying to take good care of my skin. But when you don't see me, it's because gotta go rob something. Yeah, that was simple. I think I burned like 1,000 calories hoisting him up. If I wasn't so tired, I may just leave him up there for a little bit. Haha. Payback for all the times he left me up there.
Well, that was a quick, easy fix. Now we'll get back to the regularly scheduled program and take that jib down. Well, it was easy for me, but it was tough for rubber arms out here.
It exhausted both of us. Look at Compass is exhausted watching me work so hard. Way to go, Emma.
Sorry.
She uses this weekend to do some volunteer work. And so she couldn't come out to help us.
Yeah, can you imagine?
She's weaker than I am.
She's having fun doing volunteer for the needy.
Oh, I think she's at the food bank.
Exactly.
Still, I could have used her help. She could have come and clutched for me. Just give me a second. I know you want to take down the head sail, but I'm a little useless right now. Compass too.
Okay, I guarantee it's gonna be butter though. Now it's gonna come right down.
Good to hear. Okay, round 2.
I'm telling you, like butter. Okay, look at this. Everything fits nicely up here, actually. Here's our main, all tucked away. That's our spinnaker and our jib. Look at this. We have enough room right here for another lightweight drifting sail. Gears are turning, I'm thinking. With the sails properly stowed and a good jump on the deck projects, it's time to call it a day and get ready to start a new, exciting project next time on Onboard Lifestyle.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A special thanks goes out to our amazing patrons whose generous support drives the production of our videos. Join our crew if you can. With Basik in a good place to get some projects done and a growing list of major improvements, well, you'll just have to come back next week and see what job we start with. See you then!